Hi guys, today I am going to demonstrate you how to configure ASA firewall on EVE-NG. So let's get started. So this is my EVE-NG VM which get the IP address from the DHCP server, and let me try to access it. So I logged in with this IP address, and let's create a new topology, ASAV lab01, new lab we are going to create, and try to check either we have the ASA image configured or no. So as of now, if you can see, the ASA image is not configured. To configure the ASA image, we need to download the ASA image first, which is available on software.cisco.com. As of now, the image which is going to support is QCOW. So ASA v984-10.qcow2 image is going to get support. So I already have downloaded in my download folder, which is here. Once the image has been downloaded, we have to move this in any of the folder and give some name. So I have given the name ASAV-984-10, and within this folder I kept this image, but the image name which EVE-NG is recommended, it should be a different one, that is virtio.qcow, right? So image name we have to change here and transfer this folder as it is to EVE-NG VM. I used FileZilla to get the image copied, so I'll transfer this image from my local workstation to my EVE-NG virtual machine. So it's not too big file, so it will get copied soon, right? As we can see here on the screen, it is some MB file. Let me check what it is. So it is 190 Mbps of file. It's a small file, and if you can see here, the image has been copied and it is available now. So let's go back to the EVE-NG console first, and we have to log in and perform some of the configuration to make the EVE-NG to be available. Although it is available now, but we need to perform some of the configuration changes here so that it is going to support the telnet and make the EVE-NG image to be available. Before to run EVE-NG, ensure that we are EVE-NG image file virtual machine is updated with the latest software. So run the command apt-get update. So it is going to fetch the information from the internet and download the files and get the latest one. So it is fetching the detail and reading all those packages. Now we have to run some of the recommended package, which is apt-get install libguest fs-tools. This command will help us to enable the telnet instead of VNC for EVE-NG. Once it has been done, then we have to go to the particular folder where we have installed the ASAV file and run the command guest GUE guest fish-a and the name of the file of ASAV QCOW2. Once we have received this fs prompt, on this fs prompt we have to run the command run, which is going to validate the file and running some of the installation and showing us the progress. As you can see here on the screen, it is 75%, and over here it is 100%. So the progress and the installation package and the services are going to on now, right? And then we have to run some of the Linux command, which says that we have to mount SDA2 to root, and we have to create one file which will be used for telnet and unmount the root folder and exit from here. Now once we have done the changes, then we have to fix the permission. So for fixing the permission, it's very important, which Eve NG said that we have to fix the permission after any of the configuration changes in Eve NG. Fix permissions. Now we are ready for Eve NG configuration from console point of view. Let's go and jump here on the left and right click add node and try to check yes, ASAV image is available. Now we can click and leave all the default setting, and just note down one thing, that ASAV is using 1 CPU and 2 GB of memory with 8 internet interfaces. Let's click save now. So ASA is connected here. Let's start the ASAV appliance, which is started, and click on it and try to grab the console. It's taking some time initially to get the console to be up, so don't lose patience. Progress you can see on the screen. ASAV appliance initially takes some time, so be patient. At least 3 to 4 minutes it may take to get it reboot and give you the console window. So if you can see on the screen, loading has been started, the image verification has been successfully done, and it says total NIC interface found is 8 as of now, which we configured during this ASA appliance installation. Let's wait, everything seems to be fine. Successfully discover platform, process shutdown, rebooting now. So if you can see here, the progress is going on. It's loading the ASAV appliance. Okay. Now some of the warning, some of the messages, converting fixed protocol and all. And now we are on the prompt. So here we can see we are on the ASAV appliance prompt, console prompt now. We need to press enter. It is asking the password. By default, ASAV appliance is not having any of the password. We can simply press enter and we are in. Show IP interface brief is a command to validate how many interfaces we have, what is the IP address, status, interface IP, interface status, and all. We can run the same as it is as we have the physical environment. So that's what the process we have as of now. Thank you very much.